To navigate to a more information page, we need to add a new path. So what we need to do, we need to open the urls.py under the blog app folder. Then we add a new path here. So let's do that. So we have path. Then let's have post. Then we add a slug. The slug is to be filled with the URL that we are going to add. Then we need to create a views that we are going to call post details, post detail. Then let's give it a name of post detail. Once we do that, what we need to achieve, we need to ensure that if a user clicks on the title of any blog article, they are taken to the page where they are able to see more information about that particular blog article. So once you define a path, then you need to create these view. So what we are going to have is that we'll be having something like the root domain, then slash we have slash post slash now the title of the blog article. So that is what we are going to achieve with this. So let's see what is in the views.py file. So in the views.py file, we need to define that view. So let's define post detail. This one takes in a request, and besides a request, takes in a URL as well. Then let's call the post equated to get object or 404. Takes in the blogs that is from our models. Then for the URL, we equate it to URL. So we need to import this. All right, once we do that, we return render a request. Then we have a template named blog details.html. Then we need to, because I'm sure we are going to have more lines of code here, let's simplify this and talk of context is equals to, let's have post let's have post equated to post. Then in our return line of code, we add context and close it. We need to add that here. Sorry, we close it with that bracket. All right. Then after doing that, we need to navigate to the blog.html where this title exists. So in here, let's find where the title is, and here it is. You see, That's the image. Okay, here it is. This is the title. So what we are going to work on is this blog detail.html. So we need to delete that, then add a dynamic URL. Then we have this name that we gave to our new path. We have post detail, so that's what we need to add here. Post detail. Then we also need to call the URL. Remember, we are passing to we are passing a value by the name URL. So the name of the URL should be blog dot, let me check my models. We have blog.url. Let's have that URL and save. Let us see if we have been able to achieve what we want. So let's load this page first. All right, we'll work on that. Let's load this page. Then click on right. Even if after hovering down here, we are able to see where the link will take us. So let's click on that and see. All right, and there we go. We have been able to navigate to a new page. So let's work on the styling of the blog details page so that we achieve the desired styling.